Alright, welcome guys to a new YouTube video. Today we are not yet going to the gym. I'm on my way to pick up something, and then I'm going to pick up my girl, and from there I'll be ending the video. So my girl is not going to appear on the video, and I will not be driving with recording with her here, but I will be I'm going to Best Buy today. And what I'm doing today is actually getting my new fridge, mini fridge for my room. So I have one that someone gave to me for free. The only problem with that one is I'm not picky. I'm not one of those if it's for free and if it works, it works. But this one, the only problem is that the door moves. It makes a noise, so I can't put it inside of my room because it makes so much noise that I can't sleep with it. And the only reason is it does stuff water. So water from the inside is like a lot. So I think it's something that someone that is not able to have another one, buy another one, but me, I am buying one today, and it's going to be a lot of money though, but it's something that is going to be with me for a while, for a lot of years. So for drinks, for whatever I want, it will be with me on the future. So right now I'm kind of wondering if I can go ahead and keep going right here or actually take highway. This road is kind of crazy sometimes, so yeah, it's telling me to take highway, and I figured that it was gonna be way better. I just wanted to know, because I always take highway, but I wanted to know if it was okay. So now I actually have to go back to the office because I forgot my backpack where my laptop is, where I have to work in my laptop today. So I don't know why I forgot it, but I did. So I'm actually gonna take a left right here. So we're taking highway. From there we're going Best Buy. Then I'm picking up my girl, and then I'm going to the office to pick up my backpack with my computer. Then from there I got work to do. I got assignments to do. I am trying to change my job, so I'm applying for new jobs with credit, with more benefits and more money, and something new that I change. And I'm trying to find a company, which is a finance company, to hire me. I want to work for a finance company where I can learn about loans, taxes, money, a lot of emails, a lot of meetings. I kind of want that type of life, kind of to know and learn about it. So I'm trying to get into that this year. In the next couple of months, I'm trying to change my job and take advantage of all the benefits and all the things, all the money and everything that is going to come with that. I want to make connections. I want to meet new friends, new co-workers, and kind of level up on my life so I can make more money, save more, so in the future I can invest more. So one of the things that I want to do is actually I want to buy an apartment on Dominican Republic. So this apartment I want to buy is going to be on Punta Cana, which is a place where it got the beach right there. It got the beach right there, and it got a lot of things close to it that people love. So you got a lot of hotels, a lot of fun things like jet skis, boogies, a lot of mountains, a lot of stuff like that you can really have a lot of fun. And it does have an airport really close to it. So I'm trying to invest on something like that so I can have an Airbnb, and I can rent it, and I can put myself in there when I go there. So let's say I'm in the United States and I want to be on the United States, and I want to be working, I want to be doing whatever I have to do, and then from there me going ahead, and if I want to go there for vacation or for whatever reason, I can stay in there. But the main point for me to have this is to actually make money from it. So rent it every single day. Try to rent it at least 20 days a month from the 30 or 31 days, and make money from it. Because you gotta pay maintenance, you gotta pay taxes, you gotta pay this, that. So you want to try to make money from this. So yeah, that's one of the plans that I have in mind, and I will be working hard for it. It's gonna take a little bit. It's gonna take a while for me to make it happen, but I gotta make more money to be able to do this, and I gotta work in a different job, a different career, so I can get prepared for when I want to be a loan officer, which that's what the side of my career that I want to go. When I want to apply for that and certificate myself from there and make money from that, I'm ready for it. You know, I'm certificated, and you know, and I have the experience to show them that I'm capable of and make money from it. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Let me actually see this car. Not really good. I was actually good all the way. I just didn't realize I had one lane for I'm very stupid. Yeah, I'm very glad I didn't take the stuff. Oh shit, I was not looking. I thought it was green, but it wasn't. So yeah, tomorrow we got church. Tomorrow we got stuff to do. Got 3 minutes video, 3 or 5. What is that? I don't know. Looks like 5 or 6. I'm not sure. I'm trying to see if I can make like a 15-minute, 20 minutes of video today. Let's see. It depends on the traffic. It depends how much it take me to be here, then take me to the other place I need to be, picking up my girl, which is gonna be like 10 or another 12 minutes to get there. It depends. So yeah, no fridge today. I'm actually picking up something else that I need to do, and then yeah, I'll be on my computer and I'll be in bed this afternoon. Then I want to go to the gym. I want to record. The only thing is with me in recording is that I have a problem with my tripod. I dropped my tripod a couple days ago, and it wasn't intentional, but it did apparently broke. So it is a problem. It is a big problem, not gonna lie to you. And I'm trying, I think I'm able to do it from here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if I take a right here and then a left right here, I should be able to. Yep. Oh yes, it should be able to pop up in Best Buy. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And you don't have to be like a really good driver for this. But yeah, I made it. Yep. Yeah, so I keep going. I gotta be on this lane to keep going. Shit. Oh shit, that's crazy. Goodness, it's a lot of cars. Why are there so many cars? Goodness. Alright, so now I gotta wait for those cars, and then fuck, I actually don't like shit, because these cars they keep going. Alright, I think goodness. Alright, let's go, bro. Bro, I'm leaving, bro. I'm leaving, bro. I'm tired of being there. Gosh. There's like 300 million cars in there. Like, what the fuck, bro? So many cars, bro. There's like I had like a lane, full lane of like probably 15 cars behind me waiting for me to take. But if I don't do that, like that guy, if don't do the same that I did, it's probably gonna take probably at least 5 or 10 minutes to get out of there, because that's crazy. goodness. Alright, see you guys in a minute. I'm gonna take a right here and take the thing that I need, which I don't know why there's so many people in here. Like, goodness, people are buying shit. Way. Jenny me la hace. Y después viene y quiere salir de nuevo, hermano. Ay, ¿qué es ese maldita sea? Estúpido. Alright guys, we are done. We got the stuff that I needed and we got it here. I actually need to put this on the back. Here, but yeah, we got the fridge already. I think it should be the same size as the one that I do have already, but it doesn't work. It does work, but it doesn't work for me because of all the things that I said. That it's dropping water, it's making a big noise, and I'm not able to put it inside the room, which that's what I want. I want to have inside of my room, so I'm able to just go ahead and take the thing that I need from the side instead of going outside, open my door and do all that, you know. So yeah, now we got it. I just gotta open the door, I gotta organize my room. I do have to clean a little bit, and then after that I will be chill. So I'm gonna drive. So this is gonna be a driving here, and then from here to pick up my girl, and then from there the video is gonna end. Then later I should be able to go work out, and I should be able to see what's going on with the tripod. If not, I'm gonna have to figure it out to be able to record. If not, and if I have to wait and I have to record with the iPhone, I will be having to do that. So I'm able to do it. I have an iPhone 16 Pro Max, and it does record at 4K 60 FPS, which it can do the job. So we'll see if I have to do that, and I hope not, but yeah, if I have to, I will be doing that. I'm not really sure if I'm able to take a left, sorry, if I'm able to take a right here. Let me actually try to figure out this. I don't remember if I take a right here, if I go to the place that I have to go. Appreciate it, bro. So hold on. I hope it was this way. It was telling me to come this way. I'm not really sure if this is... Oh yeah, it is true. Oh yeah, I'm fine. I thought for a second, I was like, shit, I was not supposed to turn on this one. Oh, I got you, bro. My bad. I just realized I'm supposed to be on this one. Oh, I have never... Oh, I got you. So I take rear. Oh, alright guys, so we are on the way where I have to... Oh shit. I think I took this part of the road once. I don't remember, but I think it was once. Not gonna lie, I don't remember. But goodness, I don't remember this. Okay, alright. So now I'm on my way to go pick up my girl. I got the stuff that I needed. I just gotta put this, and I'm going to chill for today. Try to work out, try to do the things that I need to do. So I'm actually gonna have to take a left from here, and another left, and another left, and another left, and another left. So we are done right there. Now on my way to the where I have to go, which I don't have that much gas. So tomorrow I'm gonna have to get some gas for a week. Yeah, definitely tomorrow I'm gonna have to get some gas. And I have two guys are coming for me, going fast. Too fast, bro. Now she going slow. What the fuck, bro? What's she doing? Alright guys, well, I'll see you in the next video. I hope you like this one. We are done with the drive today, so I'm actually gonna pick up my girl and then drive back home. So hope you guys like this video. Hope you like this POV and this angle with the camera, and everything was alright with the audio and quality. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.